there, it's Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to give you a closer look at our March 2022 new product release. March is always an exciting month. It's our birthday month, and this year we turn 8. Happy birthday to us, and we wouldn't be here without you and your support, so thank you so much. Just to say thank you, all orders placed starting today, March 18th, until supplies last. If you spend $25 or more, you're going to get a Pink and Main writing pen. Oh, it's pink. It's so cute. It writes in black ink. And you're going to get a sticky notepad that says 50 sheets. It's got this cute cloud and rainbows, Pink and Main on there. So you get both of these with a $25 purchase until we run out. I'm super excited. This month we have a new quick card kit. You guys are loving these. These are fun for all ages, all levels of card makers. They go together so easy. All you need is glue and this kit, and you can make 8 awesome cards. So they come with some embellishments as well, so you can check that out on the website. We have a new layering stencil, and I'll be playing around with this in some videos coming up. This is a 4-pack of stencils, and it's some of our larger stencils, so you can cover your slimline cards or any size card, really. They've got holes in them to go in our binder if you use that system for storage. And these make decorative candles. So we've got the candles, we've got a little decoration layer, and you have 2 layers for the flame, so you can make a 2-tone flame. It's really fun. I'll start next with our standalone dies. This one is called Loopy Borders. So we have a large and a small little loopy border here. They're about 6 inches long, and these are super fun to embellish your cards with. We have our stacked gift die. Now this is a nice large die. It'll take up a good portion of an A2 size card, and it cuts out the little outline of these stacked gifts so that you can inlay different colors or patterns of paper in there. We have our fun balloon dies. So we have 3 shapes of balloons and 3 different strings that you can hang from them. So you can create all different kinds of bunches of balloons for your creations. We also have the Decorative Candles dies. So these are the same decorative candles that are in the stencil, except they're much larger. These nice size candles, it cuts 4 candles. You've got 4 different layering pieces for the top of them, so they can be 2-tone with decoration. And then we've got 2 sets of flames. That way you can do like lighter and darker oranges and yellows to get a nice colored flames. So much fun. We are reintroducing our silver glossy dots. So these are gorgeous. They're on a mirrored backing. You can use them as is, or you can color them with your alcohol markers to make them match your project. We have a new 6x6 embossing folder. This is the grid embossing folder. So this just creates a nice grid background for your cards. It gives that extra dimension without being too overwhelming of a pattern. The first one is a 4x6 stamp set. This is called Yappy Birthday. This is our stamp of the month for March, and now you can purchase it individually if you're not a subscriber. We do have some of these available for individual purchase now. Super cute. Look at these little Chihuahua dogs. They're ready to party. This set is a 6x6 stamp set, and it's called Party Animal. Look at those fun, adorable animals that are partying. They are ready for your birthday cards or any kind of celebration, actually. Really fun. You've got a dog with confetti, a little monkey hanging by balloons, this little panda bear and his cake. Look at the giraffe bending over to eat his cake. We've got a turtle with some gifts and a little chick here with a big cupcake. We've got some fun sentiments to go along with it, and there are coordinating dies available also. We have 3 new paper packs available this month. The first one is Black Tie Party. So this is a little bit more sophisticated celebration paper pack, I would say. It's black, gold, and grays. It's great for masculine cards as well, or graduation cards. You could use this for almost anything. It just gives that nice classy look with those neutral tones. We have year-round plaids. So this is a fun paper pad with different plaid patterns, and the colors are great for spring, fall, winter, and summer. can use it year-round. Go along with the year-round plaid, we have year-round dots and stripes. So this is just a great basic paper pad to have on hand. We have all our colors in polka dots as well as stripes. They match those plaid papers, but they also can be used alone by themselves. This is just a great basic to have in your craft stash. It's ready to pull it out and use it at any time. So I hope you've enjoyed this closer look at our March 2022 new product release. You can head on over to pinkandmain.com to check them out for yourselves or ask your local retailers. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.